welcome back to Being Amrita, Chef and Beyond. We are celebrating Women's Day in many ways, right? You've seen beautiful recipes that I like to cook when I am by myself. These are exotic recipes, yet very easy, yet very healthy. And another such healthy, exotic and really fun, in fact, summery recipe is the yummy paella that I'm going to make now. I'm using very healthy quinoa in this. I'm using some veggies and of course seafood. It's a seafood paella. Without much ado, let's begin. So first I'm going to put the induction on, and you'll have to bear with this sound because the induction makes a lot of sound. Add a dash of oil so that my butter doesn't get burnt. The fat ingredient is butter. Add some butter to this. Now I'm going to saute some garlic. Nice, my butter has turned almost brown. The garlic is sauteed. I'm adding some leek to this. I'm going to give it a nice little toss. Now some parsley. And now I'm going to add some white wine to this. Now I'm going to let the wine get a boil, which it has. And now I'm going to add my prawns and fish to this. Seafood takes very little time to cook, so actually this recipe is very easy, even though people think it's a very complicated recipe. And the perfect combination with this is sangria, which is ready for me. So I'm going to be indulging it, but I'm showing you all these recipes way in advance so that by the time you approach Women's Day, you have some great recipes for you and you can pick the one of your choice and enjoy with your own self. Now I'm going to add some clams to this and then cook the entire mixture out. Just a few more minutes and then I'm going to season it in the end. This is almost done. Now I'm going to add some bell peppers to this and cook them out. Nice dash of color. Some yellow peppers as well. And finally some cherry tomatoes, which I've cut into halves. Lovely. Now again, give it a gentle toss. A little bit of seasoning with some cracked pepper, nice fresh pepper, and a dash of salt. A last quick toss, and that's it. Turn this off and take it out in this bowl. Now I'm going to move this away and get the rest of my stuff, clean my counter, and be back in a minute. Okay, so now I have my nice fish stock, which I'll use to make the paella. A little cover to cover my seafood. It is an outdoor shoot after all, so you want to keep all the flies away, right? And now I'm going to turn the induction on again, add some oil to it. This little butter that was remaining from before. Now I'm going to add some minced garlic, some chopped leek. I also have some whole garlic, which I like to use in this recipe. And now some chopped onions. I'm going to add a little bit of chili flakes straight to the oil because I love the flavor it releases into the oil. Some parsley. Now I've increased the temperature. On high flame, I'm going to add my main ingredient. That's the quinoa. In fact, it's the source of complete protein. On high flame, I'm going to toss this out a bit. Now I'm going to add some stock to this and allow it to cook slowly. Like I mentioned, this is a nice therapeutic recipe. Takes a little while, but it feels really good when it's ready. So I'm going to allow this to cook slowly. In the meantime, time for some sangria. Superb. This is almost done. Okay, and now I'm going to add my seafood to this. Okay, now we're going to give it a nice toss, but again, do it gently. So my paella is ready, and now I am going to take this out into my serving bowl. A little sprinkle of finely chopped parsley. And here you go. my seafood paella with quinoa is ready. I hope you enjoyed this recipe and I hope you indulge in yourself by making this and having it with some yummy sangria. Enjoy yourself, enjoy your day. It's Women's Day after all. You need to be celebrated every day. And in all this celebration, don't forget to subscribe to Being Amrita, Chef and Beyond.